Welcome to my latest spray paint video. This one's going to be the Philadelphia Skyline painted on canvas. You'll see I've got the stencil cut already and I've got some weights at the edges to hold it down. The stencil is also a perfect mirror image. You get the idea where this is going. I'm painting the same on the top half as I am on the bottom half. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so now and hit that bell so you'll get a notification of all my future spray paint videos. Thank you. Now I'm finished putting all the colours on, the colours that I want to show through for the buildings. I'm going to completely cover the whole thing in black paint. If you take your time doing this, just give it a light coating because we're going to be scratching the black paint off to reveal the colours underneath. Now that we've removed the stencil, I'm going to grab my straight edge and I'm going to scrape away the black paint to leave the coloured layer underneath. Because we've used the same colours on the top half as the bottom half, we're going to get a great mirror image effect. Now I've got my small palette knife and I'm scratching in some finer detail to all the buildings. Now we're ready to do the background, and for that we use the inner part of the stencil that I've cut earlier. We place it over the top, and anything that's showing through will be painted over. So add some weights onto it, make sure the edges don't come up, and we're ready to paint in the sky. Add clouds up into the sky, I'm going to grab a piece of gloss paper, which is just hand torn. I'm going to lightly spray some white paint, just not holding it too close to the canvas, just a little bit away, and that gives the effect of clouds. Now to get the waterline in, I'm going to grab my long straight edge, and I'm going to get some white paint and just spray it lightly across the straight edge, and it will leave the effect of the waterline. There we go. Now I'm going to add in some bushes. I'm just going to use a sponge. I'm going to mix a couple of different colours of green and just dab, first of all along the top of the waterline, going down towards the bottom. To add in the bridge, I'm just going to take a large sheet of gloss paper and angle it the way I want the bridge to go, and I'm going to spray in some yellow and some white just to give it that hard edge. Once I lift this off, you'll see it leaves a nice hard edge on that side, same again for the bottom, and that will give you the effect of a bridge. Let's take our large palette knife and start scratching in some lampposts just to give it some more detail. Once I've added the final details, I'm going to cover the whole painting in clear coat. Just a can of clear gloss paint, go up and down to start with, then left to right to make sure you cover the whole canvas. And that's it, finished. Philadelphia Skyline is done. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Comment below if you want me to see any further paintings, or anything you want me to paint in particular. And hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified of all my future videos that are going to be coming over the next few months. Thanks for watching. This is Spray Art Guy, signing out!